Now, the good news is that we may have some rainfall on the horizon. Jim Spencer joins us tonight with a look at the forecast.
We do, David. Rain tomorrow in the forecast, maybe Thursday too. I don't think it's going to be enough, though, to have much effect on our drought. We're going to have to get our normal spring rain, I think, for that to make an impact. So, knock on wood.
Right.
Let's hope that happens. Or Formica, whatever this is. We need it. Temperatures today, it's been a beautiful spring day. Highs in the upper 60s this afternoon. Had plenty of sunshine earlier. It was just super fantastic. Skies are beginning to cloud up a little bit right now, and that's fantastic news, too, because that could mean rain next. Rain right now already breaking out across the Rio Grande and back out into the southwest. Let me show you the storm system. Last night, you'll recall, this was out in the Pacific west of San Diego. Tonight, the spin there over southern Arizona. This upper level low will weaken as it tracks across northwest Texas, but you can see it's strong enough to generate some light rain, and so we're expecting that in our area too. Let me take you to our high resolution future weather model. It begins at 7 o'clock tonight. Not much going on yet, but when we put it into motion into the overnight period, you're going to see the clouds thicken up or continue to thicken up, and then by tomorrow morning, this is the beginning of rush hour, we begin to see some scattered light rain possibly in the metro area and out here in the hill country. As we go through the day tomorrow, now notice it's not raining everywhere. There are pockets where there is no rain, so there's only going to be a 50-60% chance in your forecast, but some scattered rain continues through the lunch hour tomorrow, especially down south and east of Austin. This is tomorrow afternoon. That might be an isolated thunderstorm firing up there. Otherwise, scattered, patchy light rain continuing tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. And it's not over yet. Let's go forward in time. This is tomorrow night. Still some scattered light rain showers at 10 p.m. Let's go forward. Let's watch your timeline there on into Thursday morning. We're still showing some energy moving across, but not for long. By noon, the clearing line is approaching the hill country. Rain is off to the east. So how much might we see? Well, the high-res model here indicates not a lot. 1/10 of an inch in some parts of the hill country to 3/10 of an inch. Maybe a 1/2 inch or 6/10 right here in Austin. A little more possible down there around Lockhart. Let me show you what the National Weather Service is predicting. Only 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch tomorrow through Thursday from I-35 west, from I-35 east, maybe 1/4 to a 1/2 inch, and over in eastern Lee County and Fayette County projections maybe a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch with a little more, an inch or so over toward Houston and Galveston. We'll take every drop we can get, but this is not going to be a big rainmaker for us. Tonight, the temperatures out in the hill country this afternoon looking good, mid-60s in the metro area, 66, 67 degrees, looks like everywhere. And in our eastern counties, very much the same. Everybody 66 or 67. Flatonia is at 68 right now. Here's live weather from Oak Hill, our Hampton Inn camera down there, showing us the city skyline. That's how it's viewed from the Oak Hill area. We have a weather station, by the way, with this camera. It's reading 67 degrees right now. You can always access that weather station data, by the way, on KXAN.com. You folks that live out there in the Oak Hill area might find that particularly useful. As we head through the evening, it's going to stay mild, mostly cloudy, 59 degrees by 10 o'clock. It's 67 in the city and at the airport right now with winds of 7 to 10 miles per hour. Sunset is at 7:46. Pollen count worse today. Mold way up into the high category over 2,000. Oak medium. Low on hackberry, cedar, and elm. All right, quick check of statewide temperatures. 50s and 60s, few low 70s. Our low temperatures tonight, much milder than this morning. Many places not falling below the upper 40s or low 50s. Now, tomorrow will be cooler. Cloudy, showers around, going to be cooler than today. Highs in the low 60s. Austin, 50 tonight. Let's go 63 for the high tomorrow. And hopefully we've got some rain falling in and around the city tomorrow. 30% chance by Thursday, 60% tomorrow, 30% Thursday. Then we have a weak front coming in on Friday. It's going to be hot on Friday, almost 90. But that front will make it real nice this weekend for a change. We haven't had a really nice weekend in a long time. We deserve it.